Hey, what's up guys? Jason from KiloWattRC. Here we have the Traxxas XRT running on 12S. Get it in. Got a Mad components, Mad 20esc, Hobbywing1600kv, KWRC Thrasher 8.0 batteries. Let's go. Track, start. Stop, read, one more now. Track. Speed is registering. Start. All right. First run on this thing in a while, so let's do a little warm up. Batteries are not prepped. These wheels on here are gone bananas. They're not prepped. I haven't ran these. Just got these from Rick probably about 6 months ago, and I just decided to run it today. So this will be a nice little warm-up pass. See how good we can do without crashing the car. All right. Pretty good first run. Let's check out that speed. Come on, GPS. Okay, so I'm gonna hit stop, read. That was 117. Not bad for a first run. Stop, read. That was 117. Not bad for a first run. Here's a setup: Mad 20esc, Hobbywing1600kv motor, Thrasher 8.0 packs, gone bananas, wheels, WFO, wide kit, titanium axles, KWRC gearing. We'll run that back. Nothing's hot. That was with ease. Track, start, stop, read, one more hour. Track, speed's registering, start. That was a good first pass, 117, wow. All right, let's go. All right. Lost control there. Wonder what that was. Okay. Let's check out this speed. I'm gonna hit stop, read. 99. This thing is launching, man. Come on, man. Track. Speed registering. Start. That was a good first pass. 117. Wow. All right, let's go. I'm gonna hit stop, read. 99. 99. That's crazy, bro. Motor's still good. Let's hook up to the ESC and see the data on that. It's only 366 amps, so we're not even pulling nothing crazy. 366, first pass was 366 amps at 41 volt. Good amount of sag, but batteries aren't prepped. Second pass is 287 amps. So, I mean, nothing's hot. All right, now to be honest, looking at the data between first and second run, the first run had about 366 amps. Second run's about 287 amps. First run, the voltage sag was down about 41 volts, which is fine. Non-prep lipos, 34-pound RC. Second run with the lower consumption, I had voltage was a little higher, 43 volts at the peak load. And one thing that I noticed at peak load, I had close to 2,000 more RPMs than I did the previous run, but I'm already down 18 miles an hour. So we're losing power somewhere, and just continue to watch, and I'll show you how we lost power and what we have to do. But yeah, we definitely lost power on that second run, but a mechanical loss of power, nothing with the actual systems, actual mechanical problem with the RC. Hey, what's up, guys? We are back at it. Just want to give you a follow-up. This bulkhead is cracked. That's why I was losing control. See right here where the scissor is. Can you see where the scissor is? Yeah, right here with the scissors. Big crack. Same thing on the other side. It wobbles. Yeah, it wobbles. And the same thing on the other side. Big old crack right there in the bulkhead. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a big crack right there. And the whole thing just wobbles. So I gotta fix that, and then we'll run this beast again. She's an animal. This is a beast of a setup. Mad 20, 1600 kV, KWRC gearing, and I was just running the Thrasher lipo to the easy 117 300 amps. So there's a lot more in this setup. So I'm gonna fix this stuff up, and we'll be back at it in about another week. Gone bananas. Racer skins were doing good. WfoRCracing were doing good, but the whole rear bulkhead is smashed up. So we're gonna change that out. We'll be back. Cool, man. Y'all take it easy in peace.